Hello and welcome to another lit review with your boy, Brandon, aka the Bruzinator, on TikTok, on Twitch, and on Instagram. So I know I've been on a little hiatus. So first let's talk about the review. It's going to be a little different today. I'm going to give you 15 tips and tricks on the Nintendo Switch. So without further ado, let's get lit. All right, so we have the Nintendo Switch, and I'm sure plenty of you already know what it's all about. You've probably already grabbed it. So this one's more for the people that have already grabbed it and just don't know there's these little tips and tricks out there. But if you don't have it, I'm gonna tell you, it's worth the buy. It's a little portable handheld video game device. I used it when I went down to Philly to see my boy, and I was on the plane with it, and I literally, it was a 2-hour flight. I was in Zelda getting it, and I didn't even realize that the 2-hour flight was over until they said, hey, pack up your electronics. That's how addicting this thing is. So it's been amazing. It was for my kids. They still play with it every once in a while, but when I need it, I take it. But first, before I get into those tips, let me give you guys an apology. I know I haven't posted in the last couple weeks. Last week, the PC was kind of acting funny, so I didn't have time to put one together for you. And the week before, I was just a little exhausted. And I'm glad I was able to try to put something together this week. I just actually got rear-ended yesterday, or the other day, Wednesday. That'll work out better for you, Wednesday. And so right now I'm really sore, feeling really stiff right now. So let's just get into these 15 tips and tricks. And if you know any of these, comment down below and let me know that you knew it. If not, comment down below and let me know you didn't know it. Or anything that you find interesting, just let me know. And if you ever get a chance, check me out on all those other platforms that I just mentioned. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop another video. So let's get into it. First one is, well, there we go. Number 15, turn on your TV. Did you know your Nintendo Switch, when it's docked into the dock, because it comes with a dock, if you have the Joy-Cons, you can actually turn on the Switch and your TV at the same time. And there's actually a setting in the settings where you can make sure that doesn't happen. But if you didn't know, now you know. Number 14 is initiate a hard reset. So to initiate a hard reset, you hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, and it should do a hard reset. If you want a full factory reset, you gotta go into the settings. Once again, system settings, system, formatting options, initialize console. Number 13. You can initiate dark mode. If you go into settings, you can actually turn the display to black and you have your dark mode. Number 12, save battery life. If you hold down the home button, it should turn off the auto brightness so the screen is not automatically formatting itself for whatever environment you're in. So you can actually dim the brightness of your screen, which will save you battery as well. Number 11, you can remap the buttons on your Nintendo Switch. All you have to do is go to System Settings, Controller, and Sensors, change button mapping. Boom. Now you can map it any way you feel like. Number 10, you can make a Mii. Number 9, you can use your amiibos. Number 8, manage your storage space wisely. You go in the settings, you can actually adjust it to where it doesn't use up so much storage space. Number 7, screen capture made easy. On the left Joy-Con, there's actually a snapshot that you could do. So you have a screenshot, it goes to your home screen, and then you just download it to your computer, edit it, you're good to go. You can transfer, number 6, you could transfer your saved data. So if you have a buddy who has a Switch, he's over at your house and you want to use his because yours died or whatever the case may be, all you have to do is go in the settings, go to users, and then transfer your data. But make sure you guys are both on the same Wi-Fi network so it'll work. Number 5. They made pre-orders really easy. So now you can go into Nintendo shop and then you can actually edit the ones you don't want to pre-order anymore or continue your pre-order. I forgot what number I'm on. So I think this is the last 3. So this one is, so I think I lost count, but I think we have 2 more left for you. The next one is find your Joy-Con. All you have to do to find your missing Joy-Con is go to settings, controllers, find controllers, go to your settings, go to controllers, go to find controllers, and then you can actually designate if you lost your left one or your right one, or if you lost both. And when you select them, it will vibrate. So hopefully you can find them. And the last one is pair your Joy-Cons with other devices. So since the Nintendo Switch and the Joy-Cons use Bluetooth, you can actually connect it to your PC. I'm sure if you go on YouTube, you'll find someone showing you how to do it, but it is capable if you never knew. And if you ever get the chance, get a Nintendo Switch Online subscription for $20 a year, and you get to play all the old Nintendo games on your Switch. So, this was oh my God. So this is Brandon giving you your Lit review on the Nintendo Switch. Basically some tips and tricks to help you get through and navigate a little bit easier on your Nintendo Switch. Once again, I want to say I'm sorry that I've been inactive. I'm glad I could muster up and do this even with my neck and my back and my knee and basically my body's starting to hurt like crazy. But I hope you guys enjoy yourself. You guys take care until the next one. Peace.